Today I'm going to show you how you can fix your machine or your washing machine if it is not working, spinning or anything. So as you can see, this is my machine. It has stopped all day. I have not washed anything. Now, what you are seeing on the screen right now is that if I'm trying to adjust to see if it's working, but it's not working when I press on. Okay, nothing is happening. It's not spinning. It's not doing anything. It's just there. Okay, and I need to clean the clothes, and I don't know how to fix it, but I'll try to fix it today. I've never fixed like previously. I have never had this problem previously, so today we are going to try and see if it's gonna work. So the first thing what I want to do is actually to let it as you can see, it is only counting. It has come from 14 to 13, but nothing has happened. So I'm gonna close it, and then once I close it, I'll take off the mat because it is inside my kitchen. And what I want to do is actually to open down here. We have a door that will let me inside this button. Okay, so what I'm going to do is to make sure that I'm putting something to collect water from this side. Okay, because I know there is water there, or maybe it has been blocked. So alternatively, you can do this either way. Either you use this smaller one, but you don't want to use this because it won't remove any dirt. So you can see it's just removing the water, and it's going to take a long time to actually finish everything because I suspect there's so much water inside there and other stuff. So we're going to find out. So instead of you sitting there and actually just wasting your time because it's not going to end quickly, what we're gonna do is actually to close it. Okay, just close it the way I'm doing it. That is, I'm using Samsung cleaning machine or washing machine. I don't know the other names. So what we're going to do is actually to take a towel. Make sure that you are taking something to absorb that water because I know it's going to come out so much. Okay, you don't want to mess everything in the house and start cleaning. And gently, not even gently, you have to use like some energy to open that door. Okay, and then just remove everything like that, and voila, you can see how, my goodness, this is so much. I was surprised actually. Now the reason why this dot is there, it is because I remember one of my friend actually had come to use my machine, and she actually used the machine washing a little mud that was outside at the door, and I'm suspecting that is the case. Okay, so you can see there's so much collected stuff, and it's just a lot. Okay, and what we're gonna do is actually to make sure that we are cleaning everything, even the inside, to make sure that there's no more stuff inside there. So that's what I'm doing. So after just checking everything and cleaning extra stuff, removing extra dirt, I have realized that there's nothing that has blocked that storage of water or stuff. Okay, I'm going to close this tube and then return it to its place, and then I'm going to clean this thoroughly and just return it back, close it tightly the same way like before. And then I'm also going to put the door, like I'm going to actually return that small door or window or whatever you want to call it. Okay, and then close it. It's not hard to actually do this. And then once I close it, I'll try to open the machine to see if it's gonna work. Okay, I'm adjusting at one because I don't want it to take too much of time, but I want to see. So after pressing on, it's working. As you can see, it's working. Now it's working, it's spinning, and let's just see, wait a few minutes to see if it's gonna work like spine and everything. Okay, so if I look down, you can see the clothes are there, and that is it. It has actually started to work, or maybe to spine, or I don't know the name you are using, but maybe I'm just saying spine, something like that. So the clothes are being washed. Forget about that small sticker, you know where it's coming from. It doesn't have anything to do with the machine. Okay, So that is it, guys. If you have enjoyed this small video, you want to see more DIY, more tutorials on how I solve my problems at home, like and subscribe. Until next time, I'll see you. Bye.